3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shalina!
Ladies po niyo?
Shalina!
Pero pag hindi sa ka-ladies, so?
Come on, ladies, join us.
Okay. Don't worry, the lady who can catch the bouquet, isa ba lechon o ulo para sa imo?
Yes. Tiray, please join the ladies. Yes, people, please guide Tiray. Alright.
Okay.
So we have how many ladies? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 lovely ladies.
Okay, sige na.
Pwisto!
Lisa Ray?
Kamuntanan.
Lisa? Hello? Nagwala si Lisa? Diba?
Pwisto!
Alright, Lord Simon will give the instruction.
Okay, couple sir, 2 steps forward. Another 2, 1, 2. Come on. Hey, here we go. Begin and throw the bouquet. If you catch it, you now have the privilege of offering it to the lady who wishes to be the next bride. Catch the bouquet and give it to the lady who wishes to be the next bride. Here we go. At the count of 3, here we go.
Okay, ready? Catch it, give it.
Ready.
Catch it and give it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Wow!
Who are you giving it?
Please hand over to the person you want to become or to be the next bride. Whom you wish.
Oh, yun talaga.
Alright. So what's your name? What's your name?
Oh, pakya ka, Meg? Pakya ka.
Manuela, please join us. Ladies, thank you very much.
Okay, Manuela. Ladies, thank you. Goodbye.
Bye.
Jasmine, kuko ng tanay. Hindi pa chimpo ninyo sa
Meg,
mga
Meg!
tubig.
Meg! Ay, continuation na. Wala pa.
Ready ka na? Ready ka na?
Okay. Siguro naman,
Ready na?
single naman ng mga lalaki.
18 to 81 years old. 18 to 81 years old as long as you're single.
18.
Ling Ling! Please!
Catch it! Ham!
Single guys, please, come on. We have Ling Ling, who else?
Ang Bart, single is long.
Help. Sergio.
Meg!
Let's identify the single.
Okay, sige.
Vincent and Alex, you're being requested to Albert and Alex. Please join us.
Si Harry,
Alex and Albert.
Meg, si Harry, kasi yung single.
Harry Dean, you're the only one who needs to
Hindi ko single, kay Kuya Man.
Alright. Single guys! Come on!
Sigado, sigado!
Gudo! There he is.
Gado?
Single guys, 1, 2, 3,
Si Harry, hindi naman single-single.
5, 6 guys.
No, I
So,
belong.
hindi tayo inisalo kayo sa bukid.
Ling. Okay, instruction.
Okay, partner. Okay, so we'll be the partner to the best man. Okay, here we go. Your God will be playing YMCA to pass around the garter above head level. Come on. Okay, when the music stops and you find yourself with the garter, that means tomorrow you will become a millionaire.
Wow.
Okay, here we go. Music. Listen, DJ, come on.
Hey!
Above head level.
Go! Everyone to the dance! Everyone to the circus! Pass it on, pass it on. Pass it on! Everyone to the circus!
Excuse me, we're not done yet. Please stay, please stay. Alex, you may give the garter to the guy next to you. Okay, listen now. Continue playing the music. Come on, come on.
Let's play on, let's play on! Come on, pass it on! Pass it on! Go! Come on, pass it on!
Okay, give it to the next guy.
Alright, yeah, pass it on! Go again!
Meg, grabe!
Okay, according to the group, on its third stop, that would be the Silence.
Alright, thank you. Okay.
Okay lang.
Alright. Okay, here we go.
Congratulations.
Okay.